Okay, so in this next video, I want to give you a more detailed idea of how the course is structured and what these sections of the course will contain, because they kind of have a general structure to them that you can follow. And once you understand that structure, you can kind of navigate the course more easily. So the course is divided into sections, okay? And each section will contain a few common elements. So first of all, we will have an introduction to our section where we will discuss what the concepts in the section are that we will be focusing on, and generally what the section is about. Then we're going to introduce a concept. Now, I've tried to split the language into as many small bite-sized pieces as I can, and make these concepts simple and easy to understand and easy to practice. So we're going to introduce a concept, and after that, after each concept, we're going to have a bunch of practice exercises. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is a key aspect of this course, that we want to put in practice everything we learn. Okay, because I feel like that's the way we kind of get to internalize the knowledge. Simply listening to somebody talking or looking at a video will not really allow us to learn a language really well. We always have to practice everything we learn. After the practice exercises, we will have one or more challenges. So I've prepared some exercises for you, some challenges. And of course, once you have a go at the challenge, you will have ready the solution for that challenge in the next video. So I will show you how I would solve that problem. Of course, sometimes there are more than one solution, so your solution might differ from mine. That is perfectly fine. As long as the solution fulfills the challenge, that is perfect. And like I said, you will always have the solution that I came up with right after the challenge portion. Then we will introduce a few more concepts, maybe in the same section, concepts that are kind of related to each other. And again, we will have practice exercises, challenges, and it will allow us to learn the concepts really well and internalize them. And finally, we will have a recap of the section to see, again, what we learned, to kind of get an overview again of what the section was about. So this is one part of our course, and we will have a few different sections like these, each of them introducing one or two or three concepts that are closely related together, and that will allow us to kind of build progressively our knowledge into the language, and then get to a higher level of knowledge in Kotlin after a certain time. So that is the general structure of the course, and in the next video, I want to give you some ideas about how you might take this course depending on your skill level.